Come test drive this 2014 Kia Cadenza. This 4-door, 5-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Kia prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, heated seats, heated door mirrors, and leather upholstery. Premium sound drives 12 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.